Want to rebuild your skin's collagen naturally, without expensive creams or supplements? Today, we're going to talk about something at the very heart of how we look and feel: our skin. Rebuilding collagen naturally supports firmer, healthier skin, and it's simpler than you think. Today, we're uncovering the tiny, mighty seeds that can help you do just that. Number 1, let's start with a seed we associate with autumn, but one that deserves a place all year round. I'm talking about the humble, yet incredibly potent, pumpkin seed. For our skin, one non-negotiable building block is zinc, crucial for new collagen fibers. Zinc is like the foreman, helping the structure stay sound. Start by sprinkling a handful of raw pumpkin seeds over your morning oatmeal, or toast them lightly for a satisfying crunch. Toss them into a colorful salad at lunch. They add a nutty flavor that complements almost any dressing. Small, intentional additions add up over time. Each time you're supporting your body's innate wisdom. Over time, that support can translate into skin that feels more supple and vibrant. It all starts with a single seed, a single choice to nourish from within. Number 2, tiny, unassuming, yet mighty chia seeds. Think of chia as master hydrators and a repair crew for your skin. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that fortify skin cell membranes. A strong membrane keeps moisture in and irritants out. Mixed with liquid, chia forms a gel thanks to soluble fiber. That supports systemic hydration that shows on your skin's surface. It's like an internal moisturizer around the clock. Stir a few tablespoons into almond, coconut, or oat milk. Add vanilla or cinnamon and let it sit overnight. In the morning, a creamy treat that nourishes your skin. Or stir into yogurt, or blend into smoothies. Only the benefits remain. Each spoonful is a promise to support repair and hydration. Glowing skin reflects deep foundational nourishment. Number 3, an ancient seed with rich, nutty flavor and incredible benefits. Sesame. Sesame is a fantastic plant-based source of calcium, and it contains copper, an absolute powerhouse for skin synthesis. Copper is essential for lysyl oxidase, linking collagen and elastin fibers. Sprinkle toasted sesame on broccoli or green beans. Add to stir-fries and noodle dishes. Enjoy tahini, dressings for salads and grain bowls. With each drizzle, remember the deeper benefit. You're giving your body tools to weave resilient skin. You are participating in your renewal. Building beauty from the inside, one nourishing meal at a time. Sesame. Calcium plus copper synergy. Number 4. What do you do with watermelon seeds? Many of us spit them out, but let's see them in a new light. They're tiny packets of nutrients for skin and overall health. Citrulline becomes arginine, which supports nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, improving circulation. Circulation is the superhighway delivering oxygen, vitamins, and minerals. Optimal blood flow supports that healthy, vibrant glow. They also bring antioxidants that protect precious collagen from environmental stress. Toast lightly in a dry pan or oven until crunchy. Enjoy as a snack, or add to trail mix with nuts and dried fruit. Sprinkle over salads and yogurt for texture and a nutrient boost. A simple shift in perspective unlocks new nourishment. Number 5. Flax, a tiny seed and a nutritional giant. Cultivated for nourishment and strength, just like linen fibers, flax helps provide a strong, resilient structure inside and out. It's rich in ALA omega-3s that support hydrated cell membranes. Flax also offers lignans, powerful antioxidants with gentle hormone balancing effects. Hormonal harmony supports clear, calm, healthy skin. Key tip: grind flax to unlock omega-3s, lignans, and fiber. Whole seeds can pass through. Ground is bioavailable. Blend a tablespoon or 2 into a morning smoothie for a nutty boost. Stir into oatmeal or yogurt. Use as a flax egg in muffins, breads, or pancakes. You're fortifying your skin's structure for smooth, resilient radiance. Number 6. The sunflower seed. It's not just about building collagen, it's protecting what we have. Sunflower seeds shine with vitamin E, a frontline antioxidant. Vitamin E guards cell membranes before damage reaches collagen and elastin. Sunlight, pollution, stress. Daily oxidative assaults drive premature aging. Protection preserves firmness, elasticity, and smoothness. It's about aging gracefully and healthfully. Enjoy as a snack, lightly salted or raw. Add crunch and mild nuttiness to salads, yogurt, or cottage cheese. Stir into tuna or chicken salad for extra texture and vitamin E. With every handful, you're protecting precious collagen. Guard the treasure you already have. Number 7. Our final seed, a true nutritional masterpiece. Hemp hearts. If others bring tools, hemp brings the whole construction crew. Hemp is a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. These are the literal building blocks of collagen. Hemp boasts a beautifully balanced omega-3 to omega-6 profile. In a world high in omega-6, hemp helps restore balance. Less redness, less irritation, better environment for healing. Blend into smoothies for a creamy, rich consistency. Sprinkle generously over avocado toast, salads, and grain bowls. Each spoonful is an investment in strength, health, and vitality. Hemp provides raw materials and the ideal internal environment, a holistic approach that lets your structure flourish. As we come to the end of our time together, hold on to this feeling of empowerment. True, lasting beauty isn't a quick fix. It's in the pumpkin seeds you sprinkle on your oatmeal, the flax you blend into your smoothie, and the sunflower seeds you enjoy as a snack. Each tiny seed holds a universe of potential. Small daily habits create lasting beauty from within. Let this be a new chapter of mindful nourishment and self-care. Your radiance reflects your health, and your health is in your hands. Subscribe to SereniFit for more natural wellness and anti-aging insights.